Hi kids, let's meet the colors. Come sing with me. I'm red, like an apple, bright and sweet. A yummy color you can eat. I'm green, like the leaves that grow. I'm the color of nature, now you know. I'm yellow, like the shining sun. I bring you light and lots of fun. I'm blue, like the ocean wide. I'm calm and cool like a ride. I'm pink, soft as candy and flowers too. I'm gentle and sweet, just for you. I'm orange, bold and bright, like pumpkins glowing in the night. I'm purple, royal and fine, like juicy grapes on a happy vine. We're the colors, bright and true: red, green, yellow, and blue, pink, orange, purple too. The world is fun with every hue.
Bye, kids.